Dear students, today we are here on the chapter Understanding Elementary Shape, and we are going to discuss exercise 5.2, which is related to clock and also the questions related to direction. So let's start question number 1 of exercise 5.2. It is related to the questions of clock. Before we start the questions related to clock, I want to tell you first what is revolution. Revolution means होता है बेटा the full rotation. ठीक है, आप जब rotate करते हो so you call it revolution. Now there are full revolution, full, and one is called half, and one more is 3/4. ठीक है. Now always understand when you talk about full rotation, you are talking about 360 degree. When you talk about half rotation, you are talking about 180 degree. And one more is 1/4. Quarter का मतलब होता है बेटा 1/4. ठीक है, 1/4 means 90 degree. So always remember when you talk about 360 degree, you are talking about one full rotation. Half means you can have 1/2 or you can call it 2/4. Okay, out of 4 parts, you are covering 2 parts. That is why you are calling it half. Okay, 2/4, 2 parts out of 4. When you are talking about 1/4 means 90 degree, you can call it 1/4. Okay, out of 4 part, you are taking only 1 part. So that will be called as 1/4. And one more is called 3/4. ठीक है, 3/4 का मीन्स होता है बेटा 270 डिग्री. 270 degree means 3 right angles. 90 3s are 270. So remember 270 means 3 into 90, which will give you 3 right angles, or you can also call it out of 4 parts, you are covering 3 parts. So we will call it 3/4. Now students, please respond in the chat box. What do you know by 1/4? How much degree? 1/4. How much degree, beta? Very correct. 90 degree. 1/4 means 90 degree. Very correct. 2/4 means 2/4 or half. 2/4 or half. How much degree? 180 degree. Absolutely right. 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. How much degree? 270 degree. Absolutely right. And one full rotation, it means 4/4. One full rotation, full 4/4. That means 360 degree. Absolutely right, beta. 1/4 means 90, 2/4 means 180, 3/4 means 270, and last means one full, that is 4/4, that is 360 degree. Now let's understand the more about it. So all of you, for the first question, you all have to make 6 circles because we have to talk about clockwise and anti-clockwise. So before I start this question, I want to tell you what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise. I hope you all have seen the watches at your home. I am also going to show you one watch. This is the watch. You are knowing whenever we have watch, the hands of the clock is always rotating from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. कभी भी आपने क्लॉक की हैंड को 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 घूमते देखा है? यूजुअली जब आपका दिन स्टार्ट होता है तो कभी पहले 11 बजते हैं, 10 से पहले 11 बजता है क्या? नहीं बजता ना. पहले 10 बजता है, फिर 11 बजता है, फिर 12 बजता है, या पहले 1 बजता है, फिर 2 बजता है ना, फिर 3 बजता है. इट मीन्स this clock is always moving on clockwise direction. Usually the hands of the clock moves clockwise. But can you please tell me, जरूरी है कि हम इसको clockwise ही करें? अगर कभी कभी आपकी घड़ी खराब हो जाती है तो क्या आप इसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घुमा सकते हैं? Yes or no? Yes, absolutely right. You can rotate it anti-clockwise also. ठीक है, जब आपकी घड़ी खराब हो जाती है तो ये देखो यहाँ पर पीछे आपके पास एक रोटेशन के लिए होता है ना, जो हम अपने टाइमिंग को इससे सही करते हैं। तो ये वाला जो आपका रोटेशन वाला सर्कल लगा होता है, इस सर्कल से आप इस हैंड को मूव करते हैं, और इस हैंड को आप आगे भी मूव कर सकते हैं और पीछे भी मूव कर सकते हैं। पीछे मतलब 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, दिस इज कॉल्ड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। ठीक है, जनरली आर क्लॉक मूव्स क्लॉकवाइज। ठीक है, हमारी क्लॉक जो है वो क्लॉकवाइज चलती है, लेकिन अगर हम चाहें तो हम उसे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज भी रोटेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन टेम्पररी। ठीक है, जैसे ही क्लॉक आपकी स्टार्ट होगी वो दोबारा क्लॉकवाइज ही हो जाएगी। सो रिमेंबर व्हाट इज क्लॉकवाइज। क्लॉकवाइज मींस होता है when you rotate like this, when you start moving like this, it is called clockwise. Okay, this is clockwise. And when you start rotating from anti-clockwise oppositely, then you will be calling it anti-clockwise. आप अगर इस तरफ से मूव करना चालू करते हो, दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, एंड अगर आप इस तरफ से मूव करते हो, देन इट इज कॉल्ड क्लॉकवाइज। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म, कीप इन योर माइंड। चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, I am going to make 6 clocks. You also please make it. This is 1. This is 2. Please make the perfect circle on your copy, because I am not using any kind of circular object. So maybe my circle can be little bit tilted something, but you can make it your own properly. This is third one. Now fourth one I am making it. Now fifth one I am making it. And this is now the sixth one. Now students, observe how to make a clock very easily. हमेशा अपने क्लॉक को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दो, here, here, here and here. Again 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now give the name. 12 3 6 9. 12 3 6 9. 12 3 6 and 9. 12 3 6 6. This is 3. This is 9 here. This is 6 here. This is 3 6 and 9. I have drawn my half of the clock right now. Now let's understand the more hands, the more numbers of the clock. In between you will have 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. I have drawn the full clock now. The same way you also draw it faster. 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. Now the same way, 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. 1 2 4 5 7 8. Now 10 and 11. Last clock, 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 and 11. My clock is done. Now let's understand how to do that. The first one, beta. The first question is telling here is, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9. It means 3 to 9. Now look at here for first one. You have 3 and 3 से आपको जाना है बेटा 9. So you will start coming from here and you will have on 9. Now you only watch it and tell me, is it half or it is 1/4? You tell me, is it covering half or it is coming 1/4? It is 1/4. Not beta, it's half. I'm telling you how. So look at here. A circle can be, if you make the 4 part of a circle, you are covering 1, 2, 3, 4 parts होते. 4 parts में से आपने कितना part cover किया है बेटा? Now look at here. Only 2 parts you have covered. You have covered 2 parts. So you are calling it 1/2. The first answer will be 1/2. You are covering half part of the circle. Now move on to the second question. 4 to 7. 4 से start करना है और 7 पे break करना है ना. So you are taking now 7 this time. 4 ये ले लिया आपने 4 and another one is 7. Now see this beta. Whenever you talk about one right angle, you always take 3 gaps inside it. How 3 gaps? Now look at here. One gap is this, one gap is this, and one gap is this. When you talk about one right angle, you are covering 3 parts inside, because जब भी कभी हम एक circle को 4 parts में divide करते हैं, so you get 3 numbers divided in one part, है ना? 3 numbers divide हो जाते हैं, which means one right angle, 3 parts. So always remember, when you talk about one right angle, you will have 3 parts. Now look at here, 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. This means you are covering 1/4 part of it. This is 1/4. Now let's move on to the second one, 7 to 10. अब आप शुरू कर रहे हो 7 से. This is 7 and 10. 7 से start किया आपने और आप 10 पे गए. So now can you tell me how much part is covered? See this? Again 1/4. Yes, absolutely right. It is again 1/4 only. Now this is also completed. Now move on to the next one, 12 to 9. It means you have to start from 12 and you have to move till 9. यहाँ तक आपने cover किया है पूरा clockwise, 12 to 9. Now let us shade it. See this, 12 to 9. आप 12 से start कर रहे हो, 9 तक जा रहे हो. How much part you are covering? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. And 3 part matlab one right angle. And you are covering 9 parts. So it means your answer will be 3/4. So for this particular answer will be 3/4 for it. Okay. 3/4. Now let's move on to the next question. 1 to 10. Means you have to start from 1. You have to move till 10. Look at here. 1 से start करना है और 10 तक जाना है. So it means you are starting from here. Now let's shade it. See how many parts you are covering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are covering total 9 portions. Again 9. 9 means 3 3s are 9. It means you are talking about 3/4. It means for this particular question also, you will have 3/4 part of it. ठीक है, 3/4. Now last but not the least, it is telling 6 to 3. It means आपको start करना है 6 से और जाना है 3 तक. It means you have to start from 6. So this is my 6 now and I am moving till 3. This is now. Okay, 6 से उल्टा नहीं जाना है बेटा, 6 से 3 तक जाना है. So it means, look at here now. This is 6 to 3. It means again you have 3/4. Now please understand one by one all. The first one is 1/2. because it is covering half. Second is 1/4 because it is covering only 3 portion out of 12, sorry. Now the third one is 1/4 because again here you are covering 3 numbers out of 12 numbers. Then move on to the next one, fourth one, 3/4 because you are covering total 9 numbers out of 12. Then next one is again 3/4 because it is just similar to the previous question. Last 3/4 again because you are going 6 to 3. You are not going 3 to 6. You are going 6 to 3. Can you please tell me, if you are going 3 to 6, how much portion will get covered? आपका क्या आंसर आएगा अगर मैं क्वेश्चन आपको दूं 3 to 6? जल्दी से बताओ. My question is now 3 to 6. How much portion will get covered in the form of fraction? Answer in the chat box, please. Yes, Samriddhi, you are right. Gauri, you are right. Pushkar, you are not right, beta. Ojal, you are right. Aditya Singh, you are right. Yes. 3 to 6, beta. मतलब हम 3 से start कर रहे हैं. Shaurya, correct answer. Aditya Singh, correct answer. We are going from 3 and going till 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. You are only covering 3 numbers. That means you are covering only one portion. One portion means beta 1 right angle. Okay, 1 right angle. Thank you, Pushkar. Now, students, let us move for the question number 2. Where will the hand of a clock stop if it? This is the question now. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 says here is, when will the hand of a clock stop? अब देखो यहाँ पर बेटा, याद रखिएगा, ये चीज सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. 1/4, 1/2 means 2/4 also. 3/4 and the last 4/4. Now understand, when you talk about 1/4, you are covering 3 steps. 3 steps means 3 numbers. I have already told you in the previous question also. 3 steps, okay? 2/4 या 1/2 means 6 steps. When you have 3/4, 3/4 means 3 are 9, 9 steps. And अगर आपको full rotation चाहिए, that means 4/4, or you can call it 1 full rotation, that means you are covering total 12 steps. 12 steps का मतलब होता है 12 numbers in total. Okay, yes, you have to write it down this thing on your copy. 1/4, 3 steps, that means 90 degree. 1/2 or 2/4, 6 steps means 90, 2s are 180. 2 into 90. Okay, 1 into 90. Last 9 steps means 3 into 90. 3 into 90 means 3 into 90, which will give you 270 degree. And last one, 3 into 4, which will give you 3 into 90, and 3 into 90, which will give you here 360 degree. सबसे important part है बेटा जो मैंने अभी बोर्ड पे लिखा है. 1/4 का मतलब होता है 1 right angle. 1 right angle means 90 degree. 90 degree means 3 steps. Okay. 1/2 means 2/4. 2/4 means 2 portion. 6 steps. 2 into 90, which will give you 180 degree. Because 3 steps ka 90, so 6 steps ka 180. Then 9 step ka 3 into 90, which will give you 270. And last one, 4/4, which will give you now total 1 full rotation. This will help you a lot for solving any kind of difficult question. So please note down this one on your fair copy as a notes. Now let's understand the questions related to it. I am going to explain it to you with the help of one example. Suppose A1. I am going to draw a little big clock. You also draw it, please, on your fair copy. Now I am going to draw the numbers on it. 12, 9, 3 and 6. Okay, 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now let me write more numbers into it. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now let's understand the question. Question is telling beta, अगर आप 12 से start करते हैं, starts at 12 and makes half revolution. Can you tell me half means कितने steps? जल्दी से बताओ. Half means कितने steps? अभी मैंने अभी आपको बताया था. Half means how many steps? Very good. Half means 6 steps. Correct. Half means 6 steps. Now हमें start कहाँ से करना है बेटा? 12 से start करना है. So now let's count one by one. ठीक है? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, and last one 6 step. It means we are going to end on 6. Are you getting now? We are going to end on 6 because we have to only count 6 steps. Fine. So our answer for the first question will be, we will reach on 6 for clockwise. I am talking about clockwise, huh? Because we have started moving from clockwise. So 6 answer will be there for the first question. Now I am telling you the second question. Question number B. Question number B says here is, starts at 2 and make half revolution clockwise. Again half. How many steps? Tell me how many steps for half? अभी बताया था बेटा 6 steps. Absolutely right. 6 steps for half. Start कहाँ से करना है? 2 से start करना है. Okay, Gauri, just a minute. I am coming to you. We will start from 2. So सबसे पहले मैंने रख लिया एक needle को 2 पे. ठीक है? अब हमको करना है clockwise. 6 steps बेटा. So clockwise start होगा यहाँ से. Now look at here. 1 step. This is 1 step. 2 से 3 1 step. 3 से 4 2. 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means you will reach on 8. Yes, correct answer. You will reach on 8. So your answer will be now 8 for the second question. Finished beta now. Students, for the previous thing which I was telling 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4, on that by mistake on the last one 4 by 4, I have written 3 into 90. Sorry for that, it will not be 3 by 9, 3 for into 90, it will be 4 into 90. Okay, because we are taking 4 part of a circle, so it will be 4 into 90 and which will give you 360. Thank you so much Gauri for telling me this mistake of mine. Thank you very much beta. So now question number B will be now 8. Now let's discuss C question number of it. Now what is telling in C? Let's understand. Start at 5. अब आपको शुरू करना है 5 से बेटा. So we will start from 5 and we will go till 1 by 4. We will start from 5 and we will go till 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means how many steps? जल्दी से बताओ. 1 by 4 means how many steps? Who will tell me? 1 by 4 means very right. 3 steps only. 1 by 4 का मतलब 3 steps. So let us count clockwise. We will rotate from here only. So this is 1 step, 2 steps and 3 steps. Now we will only come to 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So we will reach on 8 only. So our answer is 8 in C1. Now let's move on D. Now what is telling in D? You have to start at 5 and make 3 by 4 of revolution clockwise. तो इसी क्वेश्चन को हम आगे बढ़ा देते हैं बेटा. ये हमारा था 3 तक। नाउ 3 से करते हैं 4, 4 से करते हैं 5, 5 से करते हैं 6, 6 से आ गए 7, 8 and 9. We want 3/4 and 3/4 का मतलब होता है 9 steps. So we will reach on 9. When you move clockwise, you will move in that direction and your answer will be 9 only. Sorry, 3 only. 9 steps means 3 only. So this is your answer completed. Question number 2 is completed now. Do you have any doubt? If yes, please raise your hand. Otherwise, we will move further, beta. Students, we have counted 10 steps in the previous question. It will be only 9 steps. We will begin from here. 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means we have to reach till 2. We will not reach on 3. Okay. So the answer will not be 3. The answer will be 2. By mistake, we have counted 10 steps and we have written answer 3. It will be 2 only. Thank you, Anurag. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number, we are doing watch. तो हम लोग अभी watch ही करेंगे बेटा. There is one more question of watch related, that is question number 5 and question number 7. तो आज के लिए question number 5 और 7 आपका homework रहेगा, because it is just similar like what I am discussing right now. Okay. Question number 5 and question number 6, you will be trying it by your own also. Okay. So we are going to discuss question number 5, which I have given the homework to my students, and I'm going to cover that part in this recording only, so that we will have all the clock based questions in one video only. Okay. So let's understand question number 5 with the help of this figure. So question number 5 says that find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from. Now if you remember, मैंने आपको शुरू से एक short trick बताई है. When you cover 3 steps बेटा, okay, you have one right angle. When you cover 6 steps, you have 2 right angle, or you can call it one straight angle. 2 right angle, or you can call it one straight angle. When you have 9 steps, you simply say that you have to have 3 right angles in that figure. And when you have 12 steps total, it means you will have 4 right angles, complete angle. Okay, one complete angle, or you can call it simply 360 degrees. So this is a very simple procedure to understand how many right angle you will have. So in this question, we don't even need the figure also. You can simply speak your answer orally. Now let's see how. Suppose the question is telling in question number 5, that you have to move 3 to 6. So जब आप 3 से 6 में जाते हो, you will have 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now look at here, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part means total 3 steps, and 3 steps means you will be having one right angle. Okay, you can do this question by using the figure of a clock also. That will be also easy if you want to do it. Now question number B of it, 2 to 8. Now 2 to 8 means, look at here, 2 say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let's count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 steps. 6 steps means total 2 right angles. Very easy question if you understand once only the steps counting. No need to even make the clock and do it very longer process. Now 5 to 11. 5 to 11 means 5 के बाद आता है बेटा 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We only want 12, 11, sorry. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, 5 and 6 again. Answer will be 2 right angles. Fine. So you have to only count the steps. अगर आप easily answer लिखना चाहते हो, जल्दी answer लिखना चाहते हो, तो you can simply count the steps and you can write down the answer orally without any further calculation. Okay. Now let's move on to the 12 to 9. Now 12 to 9. Let's understand this one. 12 to 9. I am writing it here. 12 to 9 is question number E. 12 to 9. So 12 के बाद क्या आता है बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 steps means 3 right angles. Finished. Now let's move on 10 to 1. Now देखो यहाँ पे 10 to 1 में क्या करना है बेटा? आप कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. 10 to 1 आने के लिए we have to move 11, 12 and then 1. है ना? 10 के बाद क्या आता है वॉच में? 10 के बाद 11 आता है, 11 के बाद 12 आता है, 12 के बाद 1 आता है. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step means 3 step means 1 right angle. Okay. And last but not the least, 12 to 6. 12 to 6 means you can directly count. 12 to 6 mein you have 6 steps. It means you have 2 right angles. Finished. So this question is completed. That is question number 5. Now let's understand one more question which is related to question number 7, which is where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it start? Again you have to understand the same procedure जो मैंने अभी आपको समझाया. 3 step means 1 right angle, 6 steps means 2 right angle, 3 right angle means 9 steps and 12 steps means 4 right angle. कैसे ऐसा होता है? That I have already told you in the very beginning. So let's understand the last question number 7, which is related to a clock. Direction based question, east, west, north, south, we will study tomorrow. So what is it is telling here? Where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6 and turns through 1 right angle? Now start, look at here, 6 है. सबसे पहले I'm writing down this question A, B, C and D. यहाँ पे आपको स्टार्ट करना है 6 से, यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करना है 8 से, यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करना है 10 से, यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करना है 7 से. Now here it is telling 1 right. Here it is telling now 2 right. Here it is telling now 3 right. And last one it is telling 2 straight angle. 2 straight angle. I will be explaining it to you how. Now look at here one by one. 6 is the hand where the hand of clock is 6. है ना? 6 पर है आपके पास. And 1 right angle. 1 right angle मतलब 3 steps. Now look at here. We will start from 6. 6 to 7. 7 to 8. And 8 to 9. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. The answer will be 9 right now. Okay, very simple, very easy. You don't even need to make the figure for the clock because एक बार आपने समझ लिया, short trick आपने याद कर लिया, तो आपको बहुत easy हो जाएगा आंसर निकालने में. Now move on to the second one. It is telling 8 is the time, 2 right angle. 2 right angle means 6 steps. So 8 पर है, 8 से 9, 9 से 10, 10 से 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Now let's count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 यहीं पर finish हो जाएगा 2 पे. Okay, 8 to 2. You will have the answer 2 now. You have to only count the steps बेटा. ठीक है? Steps ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. 6 steps. Now move on to 3 right angle. 3 right angle means total 9 steps. Count करते हैं 10 से. 10 के बाद क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? 10 के बाद वी विल हैव 11, 11 के बाद वी विल हैव 12, 12 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let us count now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. यहीं तक आ गया 7. So we will have 10 to 7. Our answer will be 7 in this case. Okay. Now look at here for the last one. Two straight angle. Straight angle का मतलब होता है बेटा 180. So two straight मतलब 2 into 180. 2 into 180 means you will have 360 degree. And 360 degree का मतलब होता है one complete rotation. And also you can call it 12 steps. 12 steps का मतलब वो जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया है आप वहीं आ जाएंगे. You don't need to count the steps only. So 7 means your answer will be 7 only. You don't need any kind of further solution. 2 into 180, which will give you 360. One full revolution. Complete. Answer will be 7 now. So this exercise is finished for the questions of clock. But still we have the questions direction based, which we will be discussing in our next video. Thank you very much, everyone.